Hi, my name is Robert. I'm going to thank you for watching this video that will guide you through renewing your vehicle registration, among other things, on the Ohio BMV website. I'm just a everyday guy taking care of things that I need to and sharing my experiences. So I would appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel just as a way to support me. Let's get started. If you are an Ohio resident and would like to renew your vehicle registration online, this video should guide you through that process. I have a few vehicles in Ohio which are registered, licensed, and I wanted to do the renewal online mainly because I was out of state. So I checked the website online and was able to do that following these steps. Let's get started. You start off by going to bmvonline.dps.ohio.gov. This is a multi-purpose website that you use to renew your vehicle registration. You can order new license plates. You can check your driver record. You can order a reissue driver's license in case you lost yours or something like that. There's several things that you could do on this website, similar to what you would do if you went into a BMV office. The first thing I did was went to the My BMV link and created an account because I did not have an account. It was useful. I entered in the necessary information, activated an account, took about 2 or 3 minutes, and then I was able to click on the link regarding renewing my vehicle registration and went to the page that showed the current vehicles that I have registered. You do not have to become a registered user, but if you do, you will have quicker access to your information and be able to perform a couple of more tasks on the website so that you don't have to go into a BMV office. If you do not have an account, you go through the process of creating the account as mentioned. If you already have an account, you log in with your credentials, and as you see on this page, it does offer two-step verification, which I always enable. Go through the process to log into your account. Once you complete your login process and you finally get to your profile page, this is what you'll see. Here's some options at the top of the page. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll get to your vehicles and see the status of that. You can also check for recalls on your vehicles. As you see here, there's a list of my vehicles. I can see the registration date. I can see the expiration date. And then I can select a vehicle to renew the registration on a particular vehicle. After you click to select, this is the next page you'll see. Here you can read the fine print and then click begin. Answer these questions and click continue. It says you want to allow 10 days for the registration to arrive at your location. Mine took about 7 days. I don't want another plate. I'm not reporting nothing lost or missing. So if you just lost a sticker, you could click no on the registration and order a new sticker. How many years? Then you choose that you want it mailed to your home or somewhere else in case you're traveling somewhere. Answer these questions. You scroll to the bottom, fill out those blanks at the bottom, and then click continue. On this next page, you want to review the information to make sure it's correct and click the button add to cart. On this page, you can begin your checkout process if you only have one vehicle to renew the plates on, or you can choose add another item if you want to add some kind of service other than renewing a license plate. And if you have multiple license plates that you want to renew at one time, you just click the button add another plate, which will take you back to your list of vehicles. And then you can click on the next vehicle and go through this process again until you add that vehicle to your cart. Once you have all of the services that you wanted to order and pay for, in your cart, you can click the checkout button and begin your checkout process. Do you wish to make a non-refundable donation to Children's Save Our Site program? Asking for donations, I guess yes. We'll see how much that is. I'm going to add $5 on that, and then it'll tell you what the donation is for. I'm going to hit continue. On this page, you want to enter your email address, read over the fine print, and then click the continue button. Again, you want to review what you're about to pay for. Scroll down, and here you'll see your payment options. Choose your payment options and check out as normal. This next page allows me to review my grand total along with my $7.88 service fee for using a debit card, and then I can hit the submit payment button. This really is more convenient and quicker than driving down to a BMV and taking care of all this stuff in person. I'm fine with paying the $7.88 service fee. And now let me hit submit payment, and I should get a receipt on the next page. Let's see what happens. And there it is. This should be my receipt. I need to print this page for my records and log out. I went back to the profile page with my vehicles there, and my expiration dates are still the same, so that has not updated yet. So my advice to you is to keep a copy of your page receipt with you until you get your stickers in and transferred onto your license plates, because if you get pulled over, you at least want proof that you did try to do this online and pay for your renewed registration. Again, I got my registration stickers about a week later, and at some point the website did update because it now has all of my renewed registrations in there. I appreciate you all watching. If you got any questions, go ahead and post them, and hope you have a great day.